Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Now we will use our VLookup as we also used our VLookup function in our previous lectures, but in this lecture I will just tell the beginners how can we simply use the VLookup and what is the power and how useful the VLookup is. So before starting I just zoom it up so that it will be visible to everyone. For first I write the serial ID and then I just write the suppose ticket number. For serial ID I just write 10001 and 1002. I'll just select two boxes so that it will create a sequence and give the pattern instructions to the computer. Here you have to just click on it and just scroll it down so that it will automatically create a sequence up till 1010. For ticket number we use randomly 4-digit number like 1 2 4 5 and then again 4 digits number, and you can use it or you can give any number or anything to it. Now we will just select all the boxes and here make it center alignment and just click on it and make it bold and thick border, and again you can just make it more presentable to everyone. And how can we use the function? Just first color it up. Now how can we use? We just write it serial ID and here ticket number. So how can I search this? You have to just click on the boxes. So we will use the VLookup function so that it will tell us that in which serial ID which ticket number is available. So how can we use the VLookup function? Like we want our answer here, so I just click on it and using here VLookup function. How I use equals to, then we look up bracket open. Here you see the options. First is lookup value, which value it will look to give answer. So I just click here because we will give our serial number here, so VLookup will look from here. Then I write comma and then it says table array, means from which table array it will search or on which table array he should or the computer will take the value. So we just select all the boxes, then comma, then column index. So we want the ticket number, so the ticket number is on column number 2, so we just write comma and after that we just give 0 in bracket close and enter. So here it says not available because there is no value is given here, so I just randomly write here 1001. Here you see the ticket number 1254. So in serial ID 1001 the ticket number is 1254. Again if I write 1005, so here ticket number is 1245. In 1005 the ticket number is 1245. Now in the same way you can also use the VLookup functions by using it in different examples, and also you can use it as you want in different scenarios and different solutions. I will just copy the VLookup function or formula so that you will better understand how it works. Just copy the formula and write here comma and enter. here you see the VLookup formula. In this way I just simply use the VLookup formula for the beginners so that they can understand and simply use the formula. If you face any difficulty, you can comment in our comment section so that we will surely give you a reply of it. And if you like our video, please share, subscribe